All right, it is Coach Grace and
Coach Sam.
And we are gonna make some delicious little desserts that are healthy, yummy, all of the things. And they're called raspberry chocolate clusters. We have a little one already made right here. We're gonna tell you about some of the amazing benefits of these ingredients. And Coach Sam, if you want to kick it off.
Yeah, there's 3 simple ingredients. It really is not hard, not difficult, and doesn't take any time. So first we're gonna start with chocolate. It is a dark chocolate, not milk chocolate. You're gonna melt this. You can melt it over a stovetop. You can melt it inside a microwave. If you do microwave chocolate, the best thing to do is pay attention and do every 15-second increments, just because you don't want to burn it. Something awesome about chocolate is that it's got antioxidants, it's got magnesium, copper, all things that are good for your body, and you want to make sure that it's 70% cocoa, however you want to say that. You're gonna stir it up, kind of melt it, mix it, and then on parchment paper, you're just going to kind of drizzle a little cluster.
Yummy.
And Grace, why don't you tell us about these raspberries and almonds?
Yes, so we have some raspberries and almonds here. The measurements are pretty loose. You just wanna make them about the size of 2 quarters together or so. You can make them whatever size you want. You can add as many or as few raspberries and almonds. You could even add other seeds, pepitas in here, which are also little green pumpkin seeds. But you could add all sorts of ingredients to these. But we are adding raspberries, which are, they have a low glycemic index and they're lower in calories as far as fruits go, which they also have a lot less sugar than other fruits such as bananas, which are typically a lot higher in sugar. They help with reducing inflammation. They help to also fight free radicals to protect your cells, and they have a lot of fiber and they're just delicious. So we're gonna add some raspberries in here. Sam broke them up. If you wanna put them into smaller pieces, that way they're just easier to eat. And then we also have some sliced almonds. These are just regular almonds, but we got the sliced kind just to make it easier when you're sprinkling them on the chocolate. Almonds are great for lowering the bad cholesterol, the LDL cholesterol. They also have a lot of selenium in them, and they have a lot of calcium in them. So these are great for your bones. They do contain a good amount of healthy fats, and they are very filling. So it's a great combination with the chocolate and a little bit of the sweetness from the raspberries, and they're delicious. And Sam's making us the little piles of chocolate so we can add our yummy ingredients to it.
You want to make sure that the chocolate doesn't stiffen as you're doing this, because it's going to get solidified and hard very fast. So you're going to kind of place everything in the positions as you're making it, as I was doing what Grace was talking, while she was talking. And then you're just going to take them and pop them into the fridge, freezer.
We have it on parchment paper here, so would recommend using something like parchment paper, or if you have a cookie tray, you could do it on a cookie tray also. And
anything that doesn't really keep it stick. So you want it to easily, see how easily that came off?
That was the one we already did.
Yeah. It goes that fast though. The minute that you make it, like this is the one we started with, it's already starting to get solid. Putting it in the freezer makes it nice to hold the shape and the form of the clusters. You only want to have 1, maybe 2 as your little dessert. We don't want to go overboard and then eat the entire tray of them.
That wouldn't be good, because dark chocolate is good for you, but the lower percentage of cacao your dark chocolate is, the lower the percentage, typically it might have a little bit higher levels of sugar in it. So we want to get chocolate with less sugar in it.
We want the
basically what I'm trying to say. Yeah, we want the benefits of the chocolate without all the sugar.
We want the benefits. We don't want the bad things about it. So as you can see, it breaks off. You want a piece? And you get the raspberry in there, you get the almonds in there, and they won't melt or anything else like that.
Delicious. It's so good.
Well, this is our raspberry clusters. We want you to enjoy it as much as we are enjoying it, and click below if you want
to the channel. Check out the other recipes we have. If you want this as your dessert, you can watch our videos with other sides. You can make a full course meal with all the other videos that we have for you, so make sure you check those out.